What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Bitcoin, currently sitting at 21.3K, up 2.15 on the day. Same market cap of 409 billion. 24-hour volume, 22.95 billion. If you're new to BitGate, make sure to sign up, grab up the AKM bonuses. You can watch my full length tutorial. It's in the description as well as pinned at the end of the video. Grab those bonuses. Takes 2 minutes to sign up. Email me your sign up email. Give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. All right, gang. So let's hop into BTC. Not too much has changed from yesterday's update. We're still consolidating right below the invalidation point of 21.5 with divergences on the RSI as well as the money flow. If we do just push up from here, then potentially you'd have to look at a recount where this is a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Just always remember that a wave 3, if you measure it from the wave 1 to the bottom of the wave 2, it cannot break above the 4.25 extension. Otherwise, you have to do a recount. So you'd have to be looking at the wave 1 being higher up than it is right now. All right, guys. So if we do just break out from here, then potentially this 5-wave move isn't complete to complete the wave 3, and then you see a wave 4 pull back into wave 5. However, if we do start to break down and these divergences start to play, what we'd be looking for is a wave 4 pullback and a bounce in between 18.6 and 20.1K. And the alternative bearish scenario, which is less likely with how close we are to the validation point, but it's still possible, is we come down in a 5-wave move in a wave 3. So what you would want to see is a break below 18.69K to give more confirmation to that scenario playing out. But I think the higher likelihood is we break that invalidation point. We'll have to see how it plays out. As you can see here on the daily time frame, we printed the bullish cross, which can be a strong sign of reversal as long as we can hold the EMAs. If we come back down, we hold the EMAs, then we could definitely start to reverse the trend on the daily. The market is showing signs of a potential bottom being in, but we don't yet have confirmation. If we go back to the previous bear market, very similar pump after we bottomed out. As you can see right here, we had a beautiful pump to the upside, and then basically what you did was you put in a wave 2 pullback, and you came all the way down to the 0.786 before seeing continuation to the upside. So that's what you would be looking for after you complete a 5-wave move to the upside, is that wave 2 pullback, and that will give you another beautiful opportunity to get into the market before we see continuation to the upside in the wave 3. Now, we did have the Corona dump. This was a black swan event, but I don't think we'll see something like that again. I think it's possible. I mean, anything is possible, but to have a black swan like that, where you just saw that massive flash crash before starting to push up in that massive wave 3, I don't know if we'll see something like that once again going into this bull market. So if we do break this high, then your next resistance, in my opinion, if we pull this out here all the way back, we can actually pull this down just a little bit. So your next resistance would be in between about 22.7K and about 24.3K. If we do push up to those levels, I would definitely think that the bottom is in. If we break this high, we reverse the downtrend on the daily. High chance the bottom is in, but there is still a possibility that this is the massive bull trap, and we're still going to put a lower low in a wave 5. And basically what you'd be looking at, you would come down in the wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to take you down to the 10 to 13K level. There is one more alternative wave count that I had showed you guys. Let me see if I can find the chart quickly here. Yeah, it's right here, where potentially we haven't completed the wave 4, and this is an ABC flat correction, and then we come down in the wave 5 to 10 to 13K, but that could take you all the way into the months of April, May, and June, which is possible. But as I mentioned in the previous two bear markets, we did bottom out in January. And if we can hold certain levels of support, basically if we see a wave 2 pullback, we hold the support. If we hold these EMAs, we start to bounce, then I think it's likely the bottom is in for the price of BTC. I'll take a quick look at the NDQ. We have that double bottom that we've been covering on the channel with a little bit of a bullish divergence here. So if we break out of that double bottom, then you can see a big push to the upside for the NDQ, which is of course positive for the price of Bitcoin. And the Dow Jones, not too much movement with the Dow. Potentially we could still put in that double top, but if we break that resistance, we continue to push up. then we could potentially see that continuation for the Dow Jones. It's still hard for me to say a bottom is in, but if we start to get confirmation by breaking 21.5 with a 5-way move, we put in a wave 2 pullback, we start to hold support and bounce, then for sure the bottom is in for the market. But until then, I need that confirmation. But I will look to add to my positions on the next pullback for BTC. All right, gang, make sure to sign up to BitGet, grab up to 8K in bonuses. Check out my full length tutorial. It's linked in the comment section, will also be pinned at the very end of this video. And it takes 2 seconds to sign up. Email me or sign an email, free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis signals. You can see how the members are doing with their own trades. My HODL all plays $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.